another sizzling hot episode of Trends with, of course, none other than your hostess with the mostest, Miss Sunshine. Now, today I am very, very excited because we are cooking in my kitchen. Well, I'm not excited about the cooking, but I'm surely excited about the eating part. Today, I'm going to, how do you call it? Reveal the pizzologist in me, if that is even a word. So anyway, speaking of pizza, if you stay on the Zafu campus and in B5, you probably know him. His name is Tendai, and today we're in my kitchen and we are cooking pizza, and I cannot wait. Hi Tendai.
Hi guys,
how are you?
I'm good, how are you doing?
I'm fine. Okay, so first of all, your dough has holes.
Yeah.
Why does it have holes?
The thing is, like, we need to allow aeration in between the dough so that it gets ready like in an even way.
Yeah.
You get?
Yeah.
So that's the reason why we spike it on top like this.
Okay.
But also it will taste nice and better.
I can't wait. Okay, so like, what do we do now? This is the dough. It's already ready.
Yeah. So this is just the base. It's not at the pizza.
Okay. Yeah.
So on top of this, we now put toppings.
Okay, so here are toppings.
So these are the greens, so that we
onion
make
and green
our
pepper. And the chicken.
Yeah, that is the
my favorite. And then we have what's this?
So these ones are the flavoring of our pizzas.
Oh, okay. So what flavor is this?
So this one is the club.
Club.
I think almost more than 85% of the people they love this.
They love the club. And then this?
This one is the base preparation. Like we put it on the base. You get, and that one over there is the seasoning on top. Like we put it on the top. Then this one is the barbecue. Okay. Most of the people also like this one.
Okay, so I'm so excited. Okay, let's do this. So
right. So to start, we will start prepping our base. So we just need to put some spiral on the thing.
Okay, don't mind me. I'm so excited. Like, I'm a foodie, so like,
it's okay.
Just like I'm excited. Like, I just can't wait to eat it.
So so we need to evenly distribute it. So we're going to.
Can I try?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, what do I do?
So you just have to evenly distribute it. Like maybe you're spreading some butter in it.
Oh, okay. I'm doing a good job, right?
Yeah, sure.
I
can
make pizza. Yes.
Now I
can make pizza, guys. Okay.
And even it looks better than mine.
Oh, well, thank you. Watch out! I'm gonna give you a run for your money, hey?
Yeah, that would be good.
Okay.
Competition is nice. Alright, let me just evenly distribute from the sides.
Yeah. This is my first time. But where did you learn the whole process from?
Okay, fine. Actually, this thing started when I was in school.
Yeah.
Let's say like from grade 8, I used to do food and nutrition.
Yeah.
That's when you learn some basics of this. Then after that, I went to Dibonese. That's when I learned much of it. You get. So much of the ideas here comes from Dibonese. Although altered into my own ideas.
Yeah.
You get. So you can see like the pizza. Halfway it actually tastes like Dibonese, but it's not Dibonese. You get.
It's
like
Tendai.
people would think, nice, like Dibonese, but as you eat it, you think, no, this is not Dibonese. Totally it's just another something else.
Okay. So hold that thought. What's the next step?
Right. So now we need to put our greens on the pizza.
Can I?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, what starts first, or just?
So the thing is, like, we don't just put it randomly, but if you put it randomly, the pizza won't taste as nice as possible. So you just have to put the greens on top first.
A little bit of greens.
Yeah. So you need to like distribute them evenly
around.
Around.
Guys, I'm making pizza. I'm so excited. Okay, like so you did say that you were doing food and nutrition. So as a guy, like, I'm not judging you, but you know how it was like back in our days, like when we're in school and then you're a guy and you're doing food and nutrition where like men are supposed to be doing, not are supposed to, but they're, you know, the double standards, like men would rather do design and technology. How did you like face some kind of stigma from the girls, or like how was it for you?
Yeah, actually, I once had like a lot of girls will love girls who do cook.
Yeah, I do love me a guy who cooks.
So that was the thing. So I was like, okay, fine, let me try this part. Like, if I go to cooking, because I was not good in those metal work or wood or something like that.
Yeah.
So I just said, okay, fine, let me try the cooking part because I love cooking from before. You get?
Yeah.
So I just said, okay, let me try it. Then I thought it was just going well when I was doing it with my teachers. Then I was getting it better than when I was trying other projects or something like that.
And it has actually paid off. It has actually paid off because now here we are.
Yeah, sure. I think so.
Yeah. So Debonaires, were you working there? Like you know, like when you're done with your grade 12 and then you go somewhere to work while you wait for your results.
Yeah.
So were you working there?
Actually, at Debonaires, I was just a person who was doing deliveries.
Oh.
But when it was like too busy inside, they would call me because I used to know about this. Then with the love of it, then I would love to do it.
Yeah, definitely.
I would even leave the delivery work, then I would get into the kitchen, help the guys do it, then I was doing it as well. Then it was okay.
Yeah.
Then it made me raise my skills and everything. Now I was a bit skilled when I was in Debonaires.
Yeah.
Then with the learning and everything,
yeah.
Then right now here we are.
Here we are. Okay, now what's next? The chicken.
So right now we need to put the chicken now.
Yes, honey. So do we put all of? Can I taste the chicken first?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
But it's a bit raw, but it's okay.
Guys, I'm not being dramatic, but maybe it's because I love food. But anyway, okay. So sorry. So what happens? We just sprinkle it?
Yeah, so like the chicken, you can see like it is at times in big pieces. So you just have to break it into small pieces a bit and evenly distribute it again.
Okay.
You get?
Well, because I have long nails for hygiene purposes,
No,
I'm just going to leave that to you.
It's okay, it's okay.
Yeah.
So we need to evenly distribute our chicken so that every piece and every bite of the chicken on it.
Like I'm just salivating, Tendai, you have no idea. So anyway, like when you came to China, did you know that this was something that you were going to branch into, or it's just an idea that came out of the blues?
The idea actually came out of the blues, as you're saying. With the guys complaining like, hey, on the baby days and holidays, or when you want to just flatter someone, you have to go all the way to Walmart for Pizza Hut. Just to get a pizza.
Just to get a pizza.
You get?
Yeah.
Then I was like, okay, fine, guys. Can I please chip in and do something?
Yeah.
Like,
yeah.
Then I'm so glad that behind the cameras there are guys who actually know what I'm talking about. Who actually know the history of the pizza.
Yeah.
So we put it in spirals like this.
Oh, yeah.
So that you can evenly distribute.
Yeah.
So the even distribution of these things is the most important part. You get?
Yeah.
So like.
So are we making a 2-in-1 pizza?
Yes, we are making.
Yay! Okay. Yeah.
So the thing is like most people they usually share the pizza or they've got different flavors. You get? I want to taste this one, then I'll taste another one.
Yeah.
So we are going to make it like 2 parts of it. So this part is going to be a club, then this part is going to be a barbecue.
A barbecue. Oh, okay. Yeah. So like, is it like only chicken pizza? Do you have like beef, like maybe bacon? Yeah, actually we are a halal company. Oh, okay. So unfortunately we don't sell pork, but we actually have beef pizzas. Ah. So we only sell beef, veg pizzas and chicken pizzas. Oh, okay. So why are we a halal company?
It has something to do with some religious values,
which we're gonna talk about after you pop that in the oven. Well, first, is that the last step? So this one is almost the last step. Oh, okay. Let's say our pizza is 85% done. Okay. So we have put the sauces now with this is just the flavoring of the pizza. Yeah. It is not yet pizza. Yeah. So it cannot be pizza without the cheese. Without the cheese, I forgot about the cheese. Yeah. Bring some cheese. So now we are on the cheese part, right? You get. So we need to sprinkle some cheese on top of the bread. Honey. So that was just a piece of bread. Yeah. So when you put the cheese on top, then it will become the pizza. Can I help? This one, yeah, you can help. Okay. It's okay. So like. Do you ever get like requests for extra cheese or? Yeah. Definitely, a lot of people they love extra cheese. Like that is me. Like I'm just looking at this and I'm like, bring out the cheese, honey. Yeah. Don't mind me. I'm really excited. It's food, and I'm all about the food.
But people always say like the pizza is all about like.
It's all about the cheese. Like if it's stringy, that's pizza. Yeah.
So like right now it's pizza, but what makes it Tendai pizza the most is the seasoning.
Chemical X.
You get.
So
this seasoning is our Tendai secret. You get. So that's what makes our pizza flavor different from Debonese and. So
I'm not even gonna ask about the seasoning so that we don't give away your Chemical X. But yeah.
So we just need a little bit of it, so it gives the flavor, the smell.
Yes,
it's just a nice scent from it. So this is a done pizza. No need to be taken into the oven.
Okay. Should I?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
So we have already preheated our oven. Now we are taking the pizza in the oven.
At how many degrees do we preheat it, and for how long do we?
We have to preheat the oven for some like 10 minutes or so at 290 degrees.
Yeah.
Then we wait for some like 5 minutes or so. Now the pizza is ready.
Yeah, so the pizza is ready. It was in the oven for how long?
The pizza was in the oven for 5 minutes.
Yeah. 5 minutes?
Yeah.
Oh, that was quick.
Very, very quick for a hungry person.
Yeah. And what is that?
So these are just serviettes or something like that. So when you are like just at home, you don't need to waste a lot of boxes. Just put serviettes and you eat from on the serviettes.
So do you ever like have just dinner, pizza for dinner, like at home when you're lazy to cook? And
yeah, sure.
Oh, okay.
And there's no way I can be lazy to cook because I'll actually cook.
Oh, okay.
So the thing is like, when I feel like I want to have a pizza, we just say, oh guys, let's eat a pizza.
Yeah. And
that's how we serve it. You get.
Okay.
So
you're gonna cut it now, right?
Yeah, sure. But it won't be perfect if you cut it from here.
Oh,
so
okay.
you need to put it on the serviette.
On the serviette, okay. So you need me to hold the serviette up or something?
No, it's okay. You can just actually do it down.
So, like, can you just tell me a little bit more about Tendai, where he's from, what course you're doing, and all that good stuff?
Okay, actually, my name is Tendai. That is the first name, and my surname is Mufumi.
Yeah. I'm
doing international trade and economics.
But like, why didn't you just like go and just be a chef? Why economics?
In life, I chose to have two ways. Like if this fails, then I have to do
something to fall back on.
So I have to cover for risk, right? If this doesn't work out, then I'll do the international way. And another thing is, even if I open the pizza business, it should be international. True. So I should understand international trade. Yeah. So that's the reason why I'm studying international trade. But this is the long-term goal. Oh, okay. To have Tendai pizza almost everywhere. Zimbabwe, Zambia, Malawi, Botswana, Ethiopia. We are coming there. We're coming. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, so you did mention earlier on that all women love a man who can cook. Yeah. So is there a woman in your life? Yeah, sure. There is actually a woman who actually loves the way I cook. And she did love it very well. So I guess there's no chances for like the other guys. Sorry, okay, he's taken. No free pizzas for anybody. Yeah. He's somebody's man. Okay, so yes, let's taste it. Can we taste it now? Yeah, sure. So right now we have two pizzas here. Yeah. Like actually we have one pizza, but with two pizzas. That is two flavors. So we have the barbecue this side and the club this side. Yeah. So we have actually bisected it into two, like this. Yeah. Can I do the other part? Yeah, sure. Okay, how do I do it? So we need to slice it up so that all of us can eat or something. Okay, so like how do I do it? I start from here. Bisect again. Oh, that's so simple. Yeah. Do I need to like follow up? Yeah, sure. Then you bisect again. Here? Yeah. Then we do it from here again. So like this is how it gets this pizza slices from. Yeah. Oh, okay. So this is just the cutting. I'm so excited. Yeah.
Okay.
So the thing is like after this we just have to like choose dish it up.
Okay.
In different ways, like different flavors.
Sorry.
That's fine.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, but let me just taste this slice and let the viewers at home know
Yeah, sure.
how it tastes. So I'm gonna taste this. This is the barbecue.
That
right?
is the barbecue.
Okay.
And the one aside is the club.
Okay. So here we go, guys. This is barbecue pizza made by me and Tendai. Is it okay if I say it was made by you? Because I feel like I also made some.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
You were under it. So
Yes, yes.
we made it together.
Okay, so. Ah! Okay. So anyway, guys. Sorry. But anyway, thanks for tuning in to Trends. That was me and Tendai. His pizza is great. Please do where did they find you actually?
We are finding B6 104, but I think if you look for Tendai on WeChat, you always find us.
Are you also on any other social media?
Actually, we only do business on WeChat.
Oh, okay.
That is the very unfortunate part.
So
face to face.
Okay. So guys, he did say it. Tendai on WeChat and go to B6 104. Anyway, guys, this is me signing out because I can't wait to eat my pizza. Please do not forget to like Phronesis Media on YouTube, and please do love my personal page at Tlape A.K.A. Sorry, I'm really salivating. But anyway, until next time, signed and sealed with your kiss. Bye.